In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payment for your event in Calendly. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening your event to saving your payment settings, so you can start getting paid automatically whenever someone books with you. First, open Calendly and go to your event types. If you're logged in, you should see a list of your meetings or events, like one-on-one calls, group sessions, or webinars. This is your main scheduling dashboard, and it's where you'll choose which event you want to attach a payment to. Next, select the meeting you want to charge for. Click on the specific event type you'd like to edit. This might be something like a consultation, a paid coaching session, or any event where you want to collect money up front. Once you click into it, you'll see the event editor, where you can change the details and behavior of that event. Inside the event editor, look for the option labeled More Options and click on it. This is usually where Calendly keeps the more advanced settings for each event. By opening this menu, you'll reveal additional configuration sections that aren't visible in the basic view. From there, find and click on the Payment section. This is where you connect your payment provider and define how you want to charge your invitees. If you haven't set up a payment integration before, Calendly will typically guide you to connect a provider like Stripe or PayPal. Make sure your account is properly connected and verified so that payments can be processed without issues. Once you're in the payment settings for that event, fill in the details. Set the amount you want to charge, choose the currency, and decide when the payment is required, usually at the time of booking. You may see an option to set a limit. Click on Set Limit if you want to control how many times this paid event can be booked, which is helpful if you're running a limited seat workshop or only taking a certain number of paid sessions per week. Take a moment to double check everything, the price, the currency, and any limits you applied. When you're happy with your settings, click on Save Changes. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your payment requirements won't be applied to the event. After saving, Calendly will start requiring payment from invitees when they book that specific event, and the funds will go through your connected payment account automatically.